Friends of Disabled Adults and Children, FODAC, is a unique organization dedicated to people who struggle with disabilities. This Georgia-based program recycles medical equipment, modifies homes and vehicles, and deploys assistive technology that enables physically challenged people to regain their mobility and independence.
Our organization is a support for so many people with disabilities, also for those who have new injuries or patients being discharged from a hospital. We also assist in modifying homes and making them accessible. We do power chair repairs for people who come to us. We also repurpose previously owned lifts for vehicles and refurbish computers. We empower people to be independent and allow them to pursue their goals and dreams, keeping that independent spirit alive.
At FODAC, medical equipment items are refurbished, repaired, sanitized, and reissued to people who desperately need them at a low cost or no cost at all. Annually, more than 7,000 items are provided to more than 3,000 children and adults who are physically challenged. FODAC's goal is to empower people who may have a temporary or permanent disability to live normal lives and pursue their dreams. We give them access to the tools they need to attend school, keep their jobs, and live happy, productive lives.
The most important thing that I do on my job is really setting up relationships with people. Our footprints are all through Georgia and some of South Carolina. We really need more drop-off sites so we can really get more equipment out there to people who we can't reach. There's plenty of times where I have left, FODAC with tears in my eyes, and it just shows me how blessed that I am to be in this position to make a difference in someone's life. The giving process that's like the best process, when you give and really not looking for anything in return, and to just see the response when this person, they can't afford this particular type of equipment, how happy they are.
In '98, I was training for an 80-mile roller skating race, and in the process I was on my bicycle and got hit head-on by a car. So I broke my neck and my back. So for about 10 years, I didn't do anything but sit in front of the computer or TV. So a friend of mine suggested I get off my rear and come talk to the folks at FODAC and see if they needed some help. FODAC helped me by putting a trapeze in my room. It's suspended over my bed so I can get in and out of bed easier. They've arranged to have my house modified for wheelchair friendly. It's really given me an opportunity to start living again. I think in a lot of ways, FODAC has given me my life back.
My brother was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome. He was in ICU for 2 weeks, and he was paralyzed from the neck down, not able to move at all. And he needed a chair to be in for the next 2 years, and someone had mentioned to me that they had donated some medical equipment here. They brought us in like a family. It was just me and my brother. When I would come here, they would always ask, "How's John?" and they would give us the medical equipment that we needed. And since I was unable to just give back financially to them, I started volunteering. I'm trying as desperately as I can to give back, because I cannot give back what this group has given to my family.
FODAC's goal is to empower people who may have a temporary or permanent disability to live normal lives and pursue their dreams. We give them access to the tools they need to attend school, keep their jobs, and live happy, productive lives.
It's just a wonderful organization.